Yeah, hi everyone. So welcome back. In the last session, I just explained what all the contents we are going to cover in data structures and algorithms using Java or .NET. And from today onwards, we are working on logical programming first. Once you are good at the logical concepts, then we will start the data structures and algorithms. Because for data processing, you should be good at some of the concepts like arrays and strings. But you know that if you want to process an array, loop is required. If you want to write any condition, conditional statements required. But if you write any condition, operators required. So first of all, we should be good at the operators concept, then conditional statement, then looping concepts, followed by the array. Once you good at the concept of array, then we can start implementing the stack and queue. That is. So all the things one by one, I'm going to explain. First, today concept is a simple concept, but you need to give answers to my questions. In operators, okay. First one is a simple one is arithmetic operators. There are 5 arithmetic operators are there: plus, minus, multiplication, division, and mod. So 5 arithmetic operators are there. You know all these operators performing arithmetic operations, mainly this division. Division gives the quotient and this mod gives the remainder after division. Division operator and mod operator, right? So simple example, if you divide 5 with the 2, just 2 times integer, and it will give the remainder is a 1. It will give the remainder is 1. So if you do that 5 by 2, you will get the quotient value is a 2. And it is a 5 mod 2, you will get the value is a 1. 1 will give you the quotient and 1 will give you the remainder. Division operator gives the quotient and this mod operator gives the remainder. Remaining you know already. All these are. And here in arithmetic operators, next question they will ask, just working with the digits actually. That is also important. Any number, you just divide with a 10. 23, I am dividing with a 10. 2 times 20. 2 times 20 and remainder is a 3. Remainder is a 3. Suppose here it is a 100 is a 10 times 10 tens are 100. 10 tens are 100 and remainder is a 0. Next one is any number, you just divide with a 10. 365, 36 times 360 and the remainder is a 5. See, why sir, every number you are dividing with a 10 only. So based on that, few examples. 23 by 10. Output is a 2. 100 by 10. Output is a 10. 365 by 10. Value is a 36. Now 23 mod 10. Value is a 3. 100 mod 10. Value is a 0. 365 mod 10. Value is a 5. See here, division always will give the quotient value 2, 10, 36. And mod always will give the remainder value 3, 0, 5. But why I explained this one? When you divide any number with a 10, it will remove the last digit from the number. If you perform mod 10, it gives the last digit of that number. Here, last digit removed 23, 100, 365. In 23, this is the 3. In 100, this is the 0. In 365, this is the 5. Because all the while loop programs and digit based programs based on these two concepts only. These are comes under arithmetic operators only. Sir, what are the while loop programs? Count digits, right? Display even digits, reverse number, palindrome number, strong number, Armstrong number, Adam number, lucky number. All these programs based on this concept only. N by 10 and N mod 10. On these two concepts only, all programs are there. Anyway, I'll explain all these things, don't worry. Here, why you are explaining means what? Simple answer. These are comes under arithmetic operations only. Just arithmetic operations. And next in arithmetic operations, one more example is a swapping. You know that. Swapping, because everywhere we use a swapping concept. Even in a mainly we use in sorting concept, we use a swapping. Swapping means, suppose if you take a value is a 5, as a b value is a 3. Swapping means what? Is interchanging the values of a and b. Interchanging the values of a and b. Simply you can't write like a equals to b and b equals to a. Why? Because suppose if you write like this, b value will come and store into a. So b value 3 will store into a. So a value 5 will gone, in that place 3 will store. Just keep this in your mind, 5 gone. Now next a value will go and store into this b. A value is a 3 will store into this b. 3 will store here 3 because 5 is not there. So we are thinking swapping completed. After swapping, when you print AB values, output is a 3, 3 will print. So swapping failed here because you lost one value 5. So what you lost, that you have to place in one temporary variable. In a temporary variable, suppose a equals to 5 as usual, b equals to 3 and taking. So something you lost, that is 5. So keep that value into one variable c. It's nothing but into c, we are storing the a value. You just keep that value, a value into c. This is the first step. So now that a value 5 is safe in the hands of c. Now that store a b value into a. B value into a in a second statement. Here it is. Now 5 will gone, 3 will store. How? B value will store into that a. But no problem here because 5 already safe in the hands of c. So last statement is a c value store into b. C value is a 5. C value is a 5 will store into that b. Into b, store the c value. The swapping we are using with the help of arithmetic operators concept only. Just with assignment only, not even arithmetic operators. That's why all these things we are discussing. What all the concepts we are using in future, I'm explaining here. So next time Suppose if I swap directly, I will write the code. I will not explain again how to swap the things. In array, how to swap in array, I'll explain. That's okay. Okay. This is the one. So these are what operators, arithmetic operators concept. The next one is after this, after arithmetic operators concept, that next concept is a relational operators. To write conditions, this is very, very important, is a relational operators. In relational operators, you know that 6 operators are there. Greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, and not equals to. Equals to and not equals to. That is. See here, these operators will just understand the relation between the data. 5 is greater than 3. It checks the relation between the data 5 and 3. 5 is greater than 3. Yes, it is true. It will return true. 5 equals to 3. No, both are not equal. So false. 2 is not equals to 4. Yes, condition is a true. Condition is true. Okay. Relational operators just return true or false by validating the relation among the data. Just by validating, return true or false. That's it. Got it? But sir, what kind of questions they will ask? What kind of questions? Simply, I prepared one thing. On the day one, I'll share this document that you need to complete. Just on arithmetic operators. So one by one, you need to complete this one. Just what all the values will come, outputs only you have to write. Simple way of writing outputs. Okay. Next one, see, they will ask the questions like this. Just write the condition for the number is positive. Just write the condition to make the number is positive. How can you say that number is positive? N greater than or equals to 0. N greater than or equal to 0. Then just write the condition to check the number is negative. Number is negative. N is less than 0. Consider one number. This is the question they will ask. And this is the technical expression you have to write. N less than 0. Next one, condition for number is not 0. Number is not equals to 0. Condition for two numbers equal. Condition for two numbers equal. Like this. All you need to define. All. Let me explain few. Condition to two numbers not equal. Not equal. Just two numbers means you can say A and B. A not equal to B. Or you can say that X not equal to Y. You can say that N1 is not equal to N2. N2. All these things. Just check that first number is greater than the second number. First number is greater than second number. Condition for sum of two numbers equal to 10. Sum of two numbers equal to 10. Equal to 10. Multiplication of two numbers equals to the third number. Three numbers are there. Multiplication of first two numbers equal to the third number. Average of four numbers. Average means what? A plus B plus C plus D total. Sum by total is of 4 is greater than 60. Check the number is divisible by 7. Suppose if I am giving 14, 2 times 14, remainder will be 0. Next one is a 7, is a 10. One time is a 7 and the remainder is a 3. Next one is a 7, 9. One time is a 7 and the remainder is a 2. Like this. Okay. So whenever the remainder is equal to 0, you can say that it is divisible. Nothing but the number remainder means mod operator with a 7, then remainder equal to 0. Remainder equal to 0. Simple way of explaining. Hope you understood. Got it? Now based on this, you need to write the code for few. Just try. For all one by one, just giving the numbers here. You just try. Just 11 answer, 12 answer, 13 answer, 14 answer. Quickly write in the chat box, please. So the number which is not divisible by 100. Let me quickly write the codes. The number not divisible n mod 100 is not equals to 0. Sir, where we use means what? In leap year concept we use this one. So number is even, just now we discussed. The number is divisible with the 2 is equals to 0, that is. Sir, how can you say that the quantity of fruits exactly in dozens? Exactly in dozens means what? It should be divisible with 12. Quantity of fruits is divisible with 12. Square of the first number equals to cube of the second number. Square of the first number a is multiplied with a equals to cube b is multiplied with b. Cube of multiplied, cube means what? Is b into b into b. That is a into a. Here it is a last digit of number is a 5. 5. How can you say that last digit? Suppose 45. 45. But checking last digit, not the complete number. How you will get last digit? N mod 10 equal to 0. If it is divisible with 0. Yes or no? That is. It's a last digit. N mod 10 will give the last digit. That's not 0. It's a 5. It will give you the last digit that is equals to 5. Last digits of two numbers same. Suppose 23 and 43 given. Yes, last two digits are same. How can you check? How can you check? First number last digit is equals to second number last digit. Sir, why you are asking all these questions means what? You have to improve the way of thinking in writing the conditions. These are all conditions. The English statement you should able to convert into the technical statement using the relational operators only. Some of the last digits of given three numbers equal to 10. Three numbers last digits. Is a first number last digit? Is a second number last digit? Is a third number last digit? Equals to 10. See, just imagine. First number is 23. Second number is a 45. Third number is a 72. See, last numbers 3 plus 5 plus 2 equal to 10. Suppose, imagine, just one example I'm explaining. Sum of the two numbers last digits equals to square of the third number. You just try. First and second numbers are equal when we remove the last digit of second number. You just try. Person can vote. When the person can vote, when age is a 18, the person can vote. Yes or no? Like this, you need to complete the conditions. Of course, I'll share the document for today. Few more are there, you need to try. The next one is not only relational operators. The next one you need to complete the task today about the logical operators. First, let me explain what are the logical operators and how you will write the conditions for that. First, what are the logical operators? What are the logical operators? There are three logical operators, logical and, logical or, logical not. Logical and operator means what? All should be true. All true, then return true. Or operator means what? At least one true. Not operator means what? True will give false, false will give true. Simple. In a reverse, it will give. Just reverse. So when we use normally, suppose I am checking the number between 10 and 30. I just want to check. I want to check the number between 10 and 30. They have given one number. Exactly how can you check the number is in between 10 and 30? The number is greater than or equal to 10 or greater than 10. But greater than 10 means what? 20, 25, 28, 30, 40, 50, 60, everything will come. No. And that number should be less than 30. Number should be less than 30. That is. Okay. Both conditions should be valid. Then only you can say that it is true. Suppose I'm checking a person can donate blood or not. So rule given. What is the rule? Age between 18 to 55 and the weight between 50 to 80. So all conditions should be valid. So you need to write the code. Age should be greater than or equals to 18 and less than or equals to 55, and weight also greater than or equals to 50 and weight is less than or equals to 80. If all four conditions are valid, yes, then we can say that the person can donate the blood. Else not. Hope you got. When more than one condition you just want to check, you must go with the logical operator. Just given character is a, alphabet or not. Alphabet means what? Either uppercase character or lowercase character. First, what is uppercase character? Given character is greater than or equal to capital A, less than or equal to capital Z. Or lowercase means what? Small a and small z. Either it is uppercase character or it is lowercase character. Either or. Simply we can say that it's an alphabet. It's an alphabet, simply. Either or, any one is a true enough. Either uppercase character or lowercase character. Enough, na? Sir, suppose alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means what? Or digit also. Or digit also. Character. Characters are there and digits are there. Then alphanumeric. Either alphabet or numerical. All are allowed. So whenever you are checking that string is alphanumeric or not, they have given a string like this. Yes, it is an alphanumeric. Suppose here it is, some symbols are there. No, it's not alphanumeric. While checking like that, we are using these kind of things. Okay. So here now, based on that one, you need to write the conditions for logical operators also. Today, I'll share this document. You need to complete all these things in the document, and everyone, you need to copy paste every answer in the chat box. Okay, the complete documentation I'll share, everyday documentation like this only, conditional statements and everything. But today you need to complete this one. Here it is a single digit. Condition for the pin is 4-digit long or not. Single digit means 0 to 9. 2 digits means 10 to 99. 3 digits means what? 100 to 999. So pin number 4 digits means what? 1000 to 9999. So you need to do that. Okay, na?